Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by placing the heel of your right palm just behind the bridge, touching the strings lightly so they sound muted. Keep your wrist relaxed and angle your hand so contact is 0. 5 to 1 cm from the bridge, this location gives a chunky, controlled thud. Once your palm rests, strike a single downstroke and listen. Adjust pressure until notes lose sustain but still speak. Make sure to keep fingers loose, so you can alternate between muted and open tones easily. You now refine the picking motion. Use your forearm to generate steady attack and your wrist for quicker accents. Play simple quarter notes while keeping the palm anchored. Once steady, introduce alternating down-up strokes and move to 8th note or syncopated patterns. As you play, deliberately vary palm pressure, slightly lift for a hint of ring, press more for heavier mute, so the groove breathes. Make sure to practice slowly with a metronome, then increase tempo only after consistency is solid. You finish by integrating palm muting into songs. Mute during rhythm sections and lift your palm for open or melodic phrases to create contrast. Once done, record yourself to assess balance between muted and open tones and to spot uneven damping. Small adjustments in distance or angle typically fix problems. If notes choke or lose pitch, move your palm a few millimeters closer to the bridge or ease pressure. This preserves note clarity while keeping the percussive feel you want.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.